Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo, what is up, guys? Game here with another reaction. Today we're here with another throwback one. So this one here, guys, is off of the Outbreak Riddim. This is off of the Outbreak Riddim by Steven, Big Ship Production, of course. None other. Aidonia and Suhvertu. So Suhvertu used to be a part of Aidonia's camp, which is JOP. And obviously them have them differences, so them got them separate ways. So Suhvertu still do music, by the way, guys, so you can look him up, see him here. But I want to on the rhythm. I want the baddest on the rhythm for me. One of the baddest on the rhythm. I'll be a big song upon the rhythm, and I'm gonna react to a couple more off of the rhythm. Same way. But Outbreak Riddim, Aidonia Suhvertu, we sick. In him, we sick. It's literally we sick. We sick. Is it better? Yeah, we sick. So, we're going to jump in the one here and hear what the G them I say. Me know what them I say. Do you know what them I say? No, let's go. Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. Sorry to interrupt your video. Today again with some more promotions, guys. So if you need your videos or your songs to be on the platform, you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message in my DMs. Serious inquiries only, please, if you want prices and stuff like that. And you're serious about putting the music out there as a young artist. And big artist, same way, you can do that same way by linking up your Zimmy. Jamaica_verse_gamer on Instagram, you see me. Also, guys, if you have any party you promote and you need promotional prices, also you can link me up for that, you see me. But yeah, let's get back to the video. Yo, just to read him alone when the rhythm knock, dum 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 dum.
Tell me bad anyway, but uptown on my own. Rifle a clap, eagle a fly down. The devil him a run from pebble in a gun. Slap it in a face, boy, bury in a ground. 12 lanes, Spanish stone, chop out your head. Chop out the lead, face, shut out your dead. Wall cut off, fly through burn. Them can't take me hands, me no shooting real. Rifle boss, rapid in a face. Mackie level grains, slap in a your ears. She got press gun in a me and not in a me waist. Hear me no shoot.
Got a bit carried away. I got a bit carried away. Yeah. Lyrics. Tell them me bad anyway, but uptown on my own.
Rifle a clap, eagle a fly down.
So the boss I tell us, say, yo, in bad anywhere. But uptown on my own. Them time I don't think Aidonia and Cartel they cool, you know. Them time Aidonia and Cartel they dep on them rocky, them look rocky thing. So I think in the shade Cartel another one I thought. Make a check.
Tell them me bad anyway, but uptown on my own. Rifle a clap, eagle a fly down. The devil him a run from pebble in a gun.
Yeah, the part there him say, could the devil him a run from pebble in a gun? At that time, as Cartel was like the devil, if you know what I mean. So I think this was a shade. Don't quote me on that, but I think so.
Uptown on my own.
Rifle a clap, eagle a fly down. Could the devil him a run from pebble in a gun? Slap it in a face, boy, bury in a ground. I know this is Suhvertu. Suhvertu sound just like I don't know in a this for me. When me first hear it, me couldn't distinguish. Look, big word. Me find a big word. Distinguish. All right. Me dumb it down, fail the dunce them. Me couldn't tell the difference then. Find a big word. Me proud of myself. Big word.
Fly down, the devil him a run from pebble in a gun.
Slap it in a face, boy, bury in a ground. 12 players, Spanish stone, chat out your head.
Tap out the lead, face, shut out your dead. Wall cut off, fly through burn. Them can't take me hands, me no shooting real. Rifle boss, rapid in a face. Mackie level grains, slap in a your ears. She got press gun in a me and not in a me waist.
Rifle bus, I think enough years. Yeah, we get it. Me know it enough, but yeah, I know. Me know it. Watch this, watch it. Rifle bus, rapid in a face, Mackie level grains, slapping at your face, she got press gun in a me and not in a me. Run the game, we no shoot if you're not in a me. You know, say you're dead, man, them. Telling us, me know it, don't. Me know it. Boy, not laugh like me don't know it. Me know it.
Tap out the lead, face, shut out your dead. Wall cut off, fly through burn.
Them can't take me hands, me no shooting real.
Rifle boss, rapid in a face, Mackie level grains, slapping at your ears.
You hear that mixed dog? Let's see him get.
Out your head, tap out the lead, face shot out your dead. Wall cut off, fly through burn. Them can't take me hands, me no shooting real. Rifle boss, rapid in a face, Mac 11 grains, slapping at your ears, she got.
Rifle bust, rapid in a face, Mac 11 grains, that's tapping on your. Yo!
Shooting real. Rifle boss, rapid in a face, Mac 11 grains, slapping at your ears, she got press gun in a me and not in a me waist.
She got press gun in a me and not in a me waist. Nah, brother, it always in my hand, cause I always prepared. When me aim,
rapid in a face, Mac 11 grains, slapping at your ears, she got press gun in a me and not in a me waist. Aim me no shoot if you're not in a me range.
When me aim, me no shoot if you're not in my range, dog. You have to be in my range, a close mark. Brother, me not for a wild shot, me not shot for waist.
Slapping at your ears, she got press
gun in me and not in my waist. When me aim, me no shoot if you're not in my range. You know to say a dead man them.
March with the K and the A one them. Anywhere we see them, we stay on them.
Somewhere to this. I don't know.
When big matic she both boy head goes off.
No, I several to that, sorry, several to the same.
March with the K and the
A one them. Anywhere we see them, we wait on them. We are bad when bullets are rain. Listen, several.
When big matic she both boy head goes off a body and can't come back.
When big matic shoot out. When big matic shoot out, brother. When big matic shoot out. Watch out. When big matic shoot out, boy head bust off a body and can't come back.
The boy them a run fi we street and a call up cops, but we give the law gunshot.
The boy them a run for retreat and a call up cops, but me we get the law gunshot. The boss tell us say, yo, him not afraid that. Yo, pull up a tune. Pull up a tune.
Tell me bad anyway, but uptown on my own. Rifle a clap, eagle a fly down. The devil him a run from pebble in a gun.
Slap it in a face, boy, bury in a ground. Cold
place. Chop out your head, tap out the lead, face shot out your dead.
Why but half can? You can't take the hands, me no shooting real. Rifle bust,
rapid in a face, Mac 11 grains, slapping at your ears.
She got press gun in a me and not in a me. When me aim, me no shoot if you're not in a me. You know to say ya. Watch the K and the anyway we see them we all when bullets are red, we see.
When big matic she both boy head goes off a body and can't come back.
The boy them a run for retreat and a call up cops, but
we give the law gunshot.
Clap when we. Yo, that song have lyrics, that song have melody, it makes good, it sound good. Yo, the lyrics are kick. Yo, 100 out of 100 for that song for me. When everybody scallop them, brother, see this. Watch out.
We no shoot up fence and give wall gunshot. Clap it up in them head and make them fall down. Drop.
You heard what I say? We no shoot up fence and give wall gunshot. Clap it up in them head and make them fall down. Drop. Until I said, boss, I'm not a shot for you, dog. G.O.P.
When the car was clap, boy dead video. Body gun no stop, bass bouncy breezy, war red clutch back. Me no shoot up fence and give wall gunshot. Clap it up in them head and make them fall down. Drop me no farm up, shot me no war with. Shot the war red, clap your hard head, forward. Crop now the war get hot, know me wanted, hot fit. No shoot up fence and give wall gunshot.
Clap it up in them head and make them fall down.
Drop me no farm up, shot me no war with. Shot the war red, clap your
hard head, forward. Crop
now the war get hot, know me wanted, hot fit the head. Me shell out in the scar leg pot.
No, me wanted him hot, him get hot, and you wanted. For the egg when, for the head when him sell out in the, yo.
One ask red crop, them make them fall down. Drop me no farm up, shot me no war with. Shot the war red, clap your hard head, forward. Crop now the war get hot, know me wanted. Hot for the head, me shell out in the scar leg pot. One ask kill shot, make a start swell fat. None of me and me friend them not dead back.
One ask kill shot. One ask kill shot make you swell up fat. No him wanted. Guess what? None of him and him for them not dead. But none of him and him for them not dead back.
Forward, clap your hard head, forward. Crop now the war get hot, know me wanted. Hot for the
egg, me sell out in the scarlet pot.
One ask kill shot, make a start swell fat. None of me and me friend them not dead back. Rifle boss, rapid in a face. Mac 11 grains, slapping at your ears. She got press gun in a me and not in a me waist. Hear me no shoot if you're not in a me range.
You know to say
ya. Man them, march with the K and the A one them. Anywhere we see them, we stay on them. We a ball when bullets are rain on them, we see. Shot, the best shot hard to win chin. Rifle bind fly through him skin.
Yo, me say, if the caliber is not one of the baddest caliber dancer, I don't know what you're telling us, dog. I swear. Anyway, we see them, we stay on them. We a ball when bullets are. Hold on. headshot.
The best shot,
Hard to win skin.
Right for buying fly through him skin. Walk up close, range pan the pussy every time the chica pull him spin. People dead when we doing things in Millennium Pro. Party caliber, I'm a clap, ruin pin. And a scoring thing, what a cruel sin. Fear shot, them can't make out who is him. Copper blow him skin.
Fear shot, them can't make out who is him. Copper blow him skin. How close casket him get him, and I never know who is him. No, the last part. I mean, the last part. The last part. Yo, me just do enough sometimes. Anyway, let's go.
And a scoring thing, what a cruel sin. Fear shot, them
Can't make out who is him.
Copper blow him skin.
We squeezing the shot till the feeling.
Hot head boss doctor can't make the bleeding stop.
The man say, we squeezing the strap till it feeling hot. Head boss, doctor can't make the bleeding stop. I'm gonna bleed out, I'm gonna dead. Pronounce.
Copper blow him skin. Me squeezing this strap till it feeling hot. Head boss doctor can't make the bleeding stop. Boy breathing stop like a leaf him drop.
Watch your pattern now. Boy breathing stop like a leaf him drop. Get the next line.
Till it feeling hot. Head boss doctor can't make the bleeding stop. Boy breathing stop like a leaf him drop. Him stiff like your poison a feeding cat.
Him body stiff like your poison a feeding cat. Cruelty. Cruelty.
The bleeding stop, boy breathing stop like a leaf him drop. Him stiff like a poison a feeding cat. Head has been like falling at the ceiling top. One
head has been like falling at the ceiling top, brother. The man a compare your head has been to a fan at the ceiling top, bro.
a leaf him drop. Him stiff like a poison a feeding
cat. Head has been like falling at the ceiling top.
One rifle shot making a 3-piece in chop. Head
one rifle shot making a 3-piece in drop.
bust with 3 big shot. Now them begs how the piece did stop.
Remember, say we call piece with you, and then so some little fuck one, the piece stop. Now them vex. Them vex now, so the piece stop. Can you see it there? Over there, so in a tree in drop.
A 3-piece in chop. Head bust with 3 big shot. Now them begs how the piece did stop. Rifle bust, wrap it in a face. Mack 11 grains, slap in your ears.
She got press gun in a me hand, not in a me
waist. Hear me no shoot if you're not in a me range.
You know to see a dead man them.
March with the K and the K on them. Anywhere we see them, we stay on them. We a bar when bullet away on them.
We see Lord evil. Suhvertu.
J.O.B. Siiiiiiiiiick. Yo, Steve. The boss. Yo, big ship. The genius. Jamaica.
Our best. J.O.P.
Just
one vice. That done vice.
J.O.P. Size 10 say none smile.
None.
Yo, Diablo. Show crime.
Look, that's a governor.
You see me? Crime image. Sick.
Let me just say this. Big up Steven for that infamous Riddim. I like them Riddim I already need to revamp and forward again. Outbreak with him. Let me just say this. If the camp, JOP camp did stay together, brother, and put out them type of work, yeah, nobody don't want to clash them. No other camp don't want to clash them. Cause the man them bad, brother. From Governor, Aidonia, to Suhvertu, to Tanso. Yo, jeez. Anyway, that is one more of the throwback list. See me? So I'm gonna leave down a still. You know what to do. I'll see you guys on the next one. Yeah.
Jamaica's worst gamer.